is Andrew and Maddie from Echo Company. What we're going to do today is a little piece for kit check, and what we're doing is we're comparing two lightweight cook sets which are available from the Bushcraft Lab, one of which we've picked to go in the Microadventure family bag, and that's the BCB International cook set. And Maddie,
I have the Pathfinder canteen set.
So what we're going to do is we've got enough water for 2 cups of coffee. We're going to put it into our metal mugs, use the Fire Dragon fuel cell to cook them, and I'm going to time to see how long it takes each one to go. So let's see how it goes. Okay, water into the mug.
So the Pathfinder set is very simple. It's just a 3-piece set. Put the little Fire Dragon gel on, which can also be used as a hand sanitizer, and it has some sort of liquid at the top as well. It really smells like hand sanitizer, and you just quickly light it at the lighter, and then you can put your cook set on and it's done. And it also comes with a lid.
So you'll notice with the BCB, very similar setup. The actual metal mug is slightly closer to the fuel cell, which we'll see how well that works in a minute. The other thing to note, and one of the reasons that I picked it for the Microadventure bag, is it comes with 2 mugs. So you've got your metal cooking mug, and then you've got your plastic mug. So once you've cooked your water, you can pour it into your mug for your brew, and then get cooking again for a food or a ration box or something like that. A couple of specs for you. The water bottle on the BCB carries 1 litre. The water bottle on the Pathfinder carries 1.7 litres. When both water bottles are full, the BCB weighs 1,900 grams and the Pathfinder Survival weighs 2,100 grams. So just to give you a rough idea. And what we're going to do now, I've already set my stopwatch, and we're going to keep an eye out to see which one boils, which one doesn't, or if they both boil and what time it takes. Lift your lid off. See, the BCB is actually still cooking. The Pathfinder's gone out. At a guess, without sticking our fingers in it, I think the BCB water is hotter than the Pathfinder. And that's without the lid on. You can actually buy it additionally for a lid for a couple of quid, but to be honest, I don't think you need it. So that's why the BCB is in the Microadventure bag. Thanks for watching.